A 7-year-old boy was beaten to death allegedly by his teacher in Uttar Pradesh for not paying the school fees on time. The principal and the teacher are on the run. The district magistrate has ordered an inquiry into the incident and a post-mortem report of the boy is awaited.
Distraught relatives waiting outside the hospital to collect the body of their 7-year-old son who died after allegedly being beaten up by his teacher in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. The family alleges that their son was brutally thrashed by his school teacher for not paying his school fees.
बच्चे की फीस 2 महीने की जमा नहीं थी तो मास्टरों ने फीस के संबंध में उसकी पिटाई करने के बाद उसके ज़्यादा ही रात तक डांट के मारा रापड़ वो दीवार से जा टकरा तो वो बेहोश हो गया। वहाँ पे बेहोश होने के बाद उसे हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया। हॉस्पिटल ले जाते समय ही बेहोश मतलब उन्हें दम तोड़ दिया। बाकी वो गेट के पास छोड़ के भाग गए। फिर उनके घर वाले आए, हम सब लोग पहुंचे तो वहां से
Araj, a 7-year-old nursery student, would have never imagined that it would be his last day at school. He died after suffering several injuries to his head as his teacher allegedly banged him against the wall. The police has lodged an FIR and an inquiry has been ordered into the incident.
देखिए, घटना के बाद परिवार ने जो तहरीर दी है उसके बेसिस पे एफआईआर दर्ज कर ली गई है और एफआईआर दर्ज करने के बाद पुलिस अपनी विवेचना और जांच पड़ताल कर रही है। इसके अतिरिक्त कुछ विरोधाभास बातें भी पता चली हैं और उसके दृष्टिगत हम लोगों ने मैंने अपने स्तर पे एसडीएम बहेड़ी को निश्चित जांच के आदेश किए हैं।
But with the accused teacher still absconding, the relatives of the victim have no option but to wait for justice.
The shocking case of child's death has yet again exposed that how even schools can be the place of trauma for young ones, at least in some cases. The administration now talks about an inquiry being initiated into reasons and circumstances leading to the minor's death. Family of the victim clearly blames the absconding principal and the school manager of murder. Pranshu Mishra in Bareilly for Times Now.